Have you ever seen a walking rainbow? You can see it in your own home thanks to science. All you need is 7 small clear cups, some red, blue, and yellow food coloring, and some paper towels. Step 1. Take 6 sheets of paper towels and fold it in half lengthwise, and then fold it again. Step 2. Place your cups in a line and add some water to the first cup, the third cup, the 5th cup, and the last cup. Step 3. Time to add food coloring. Add red color to the first cup and last cup, yellow to the third cup, and blue to the 5th cup. Step 4. Place one end of your folded paper towel in a cup and the other end in the cup next to it. Repeat this with all of your paper towels. After a few minutes, the water will begin to move up through the paper towel and into the cup next to it through a process called capillary action. Soon, the colors from both cups will begin to mix into a new color. Thanks for watching, and follow McWane Science Center for more kitchen science.